For $5, that's pretty good. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the Walmart beauty box for the winter quarter of 2021, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. All right, you may or may not be aware that Walmart has a beauty box, and it is free. Yeah, free. There is a $5 shipping and handling, so you can just think of it as a $5 beauty box. It has sample products and true sample, not like some Sunday Riley little sample. No, the kind if you're going on a trip and you walk into a Walmart and you go to that wall of sample products, usually around that type of a product. But there is usually a full-size item. All right, I also like to refer to this as my puzzle box because it sounds like a puzzle. Let's dig in and see what winter has to offer. Here is a little sneak peek. It does come with a card, and I found there are iterations, so I may not get a certain item that is listed in the card. All right, first item. We have a sample product from Cetaphil. This is the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. You know what? I swear to God, I got this exact same product in a more prestigious beauty box. Let me see if I can't find that item. Yes, this product. I like the brand Cetaphil. What I'm so about is $5 Walmart box expected. This came in, I want to say Allure. I will list on the screen which box it came in. All right, I digress. So first item, a sample of a Cetaphil moisturizer. All right, next item. And for Walmart Beauty Box, this is quite large. What is it? This is from LOLA. Regular tampons made with 100% organic cotton. And you get 8 compact plastic applicator. And this will be set aside for a future giveaway. Wygo Warrior is old and going through the pause. So no longer need these in my life. But if you are younger than me, that is a nice thing to try. I have heard of that brand, mainly because I think I see ads here on YouTube. What a great way to try a new product. All right, on to the next item. Ooh. I saw the brand name, and I've always wanted to try something, but never have. This is from number 7, and this is Advanced Retinol 1.5% Complex Night Concentrate. It's a skin transforming accelerator. Okay. Number 7 is sold in drugstores, but it's a little pricey. Therefore, I've never bought it. Okay, it's a small 3 milliliter sample, but hey, I can see if I like it and maybe give it a try. Okay, so far, this is one of the better Walmart beauty boxes. Okay, on to the next item. This also is quite large. What is this? Mybite guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. It looks like a little Snickers bar. This is a vitamin? Wait, what? What kind of vitamin is it? This here says no artificial colors or flavors. It's gluten-free. Only 25 calories and 3 grams of sugar. It's cute. They come individually packaged. Okay, and in here Oh, there's multiple flavors. There are 4 different flavors or types, and it looks like this sample contains all 4 flavors. Okay, well that's nice. That way, if you like one better than another and you want to purchase, you know which flavor to grab. All right, on to the next item. Now this is the true small sample. What is this? Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. Oh, for some reason when I first saw the packet, I thought it was going to be hair product related. Specialist Dry Skin Formulation. Is the brand just Bio Oil, or is this actually an oil? It says, clinically proven to improve dry skin with a unique formula that sinks right in, helping to relieve uncomfortable dryness for all skin types. All right, well, I have some, my new kitten here, Monkey. Monkey, say hi. Well, I will give this a test on my legs, which are extremely dry. All right, last item. What is the world telling me? These are some Blemish patches from Dermafix. Been getting these a lot lately in beauty subscriptions. This is 1 patch. Wait, what? If you have a blemish the size of this, that is crazy. This is cleanse and dry affected area using clean scissors, cut patch to desired shape. Oh, okay. Well, that's annoying. I like the little ones that are little circles you just kind of peel off and stick on. This apparently is 1 mega rectangle square, and then you cut it as needed. All right, well, every blue moon I could use one of these. All right, so I'm not noticing anything full size so far. I have received, well, technically this is my 3rd box. I did receive a repeat or duplicate, luckily it was the 2nd iteration, fall box, and they've all contained at least 1 full-size item. Okay, let's recap what we got. We got an 8-pack of LOLA tampons. We got a 4-pack of each flavor of these Mybites gluten-free supplements. We got a number 7 night concentrate serum. We got a Dermafix Blemish custom patch that you can cut to the size that you need. We got a Cetaphil deep hydration cream and a Bio Oil dry hydration or dry skin gel. All right, that is quite the little sample packs of items here. I'm going to list on the screen the prices of these little samples, and keep in mind this was for $5. So is it the best box? No. Is it for $5? Is it good? You bet. I will toss $5 into the world and see what comes back to me to try. All right, let me know your thoughts. Do you subscribe? Do you think it's a waste of time? Are you like, or, oh, that's pretty good for $5. All right, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think of my kitten. And thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Please leave me a comment. It really helps my channel to grow. And click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. All right, thanks everyone.